In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I like to make my bookmarks from start to finish. I will have all of the products listed in the description. Starting off, I like to design my bookmarks in Procreate, and then I bring them into Canva. My bookmarks are 2 inches by 5.5 inches, and my Canva document is a letter-sized document. Now, as you can see here, I am adding each bookmark as a separate image and aligning them on one page to fit as many as I can. I like to add these guidelines here that you can see the little white lines so that when I'm printing them out, I can cut them out very easily and know exactly where I need to cut each bookmark for it to be perfect. As you can see, when I download them, the white lines are there, but when you cut them out, if you are on the line, they won't show up on your bookmarks. I'm going to be having my printer settings on the screen as well as the printer I am using. Here are some of the bookmark designs, and you can mess with your settings depending on the printer you have. They're going to be different, so really look up videos on that if you need help with your specific printer. And what makes this possible is having a really good laminating machine. I use 3mm laminating pouches, which are thick enough that they help protect the bookmarks, but not too thick that it's hard to work with. After you finish laminating your bookmarks, you need to cut them out. You can cut them out by hand, but I suggest getting a more heavy-duty cutter. I am using a X-Acto brand guillotine. I'll have this linked in the description. And you need to make sure that you laminate them again. After you cut them out, laminate them again. This will provide very smooth, professionally bonded edges. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Happy creating!